Amazing car. I'm not saying much because I'm just kind of loving life right now, but very, very proud of how far this car has come. Thank you so much to everybody that helped. Thanks to everybody that grabbed a poster and helped support this build. And yeah, very, very excited. It moves. It moves, it moves. Hard on the brakes. Turn one here. You got to agree, it looks absolutely incredible. And it sounds even better. I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that helped along as part of this process to bring this car to life. And of course, my mate Marty. I absolutely love it. The power is fantastic. I cannot believe the sound. I really cannot believe just how good it sounds. And it's everything I could have hoped for and more. So thank you very much for supporting this series. I really hope you got as much out of it as I did, and thank you to everybody that grabbed one of those limited time 240Z posters, because that helped support the show and that helped support this build. So thank you very much. And right now, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna go make some more mad turbo noises. Third gear pull. I love it. I love it. So good. So good. That's what it's all about, people. That right there. Freaking awesome. Mighty Carmods. Who would have thought I'd be doing this 17 years after starting making some videos with Marty on his mum's driveway? 17 years. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you very much. What an amazing result. The 240Z has come together absolutely perfectly, and I do think that it's one of the best cars that we've ever built on this show, and I can't wait to spend more time driving it. But there are a couple of people that I just want to thank quickly. First of all, you, the audience, for watching and supporting this build for over 6 years now, but also all of the people that came along and helped throughout this whole build process as well. So first of all, Al, plus we've got the team from Haltech, we've got Dave, we've got Scotty, also Miles, Benny, Sam, Rob and Aaron from Import Monster, plus all of the MCM crew. So a big shout out to James and to Ed and to Jackie. But there is one person here that I think really does deserve a lot of gratitude. They've supported the build the whole way along. They've supported me the whole way along. There's been late nights, there's been weekends, and his support has been unwavering. So I want to say a massive thank you to my best mate, Marty. If you're reading this letter, it means I've taken my cars and I'm gone.
Good luck hanging out with your dodgy bong smoking Nissan mates. I've left you some basic tools, but I've taken all the 10 mils and password locked your tune. I'm going fishing for the next 20 years and I'm going by myself. Meet me at the cemetery if you want to say goodbye or borrow a 10 mil.
What are you doing?
Paying my respects.
To who?
Your 240Z.
Why?
Because I'm going to chop your Datsun.